curious about the UK economy in 2024. Here's the scoop in 60 seconds. The UK economy is showing signs of resilience. GDP growth is steady at 2.1%, driven by strong consumer spending and robust exports. Unemployment down to a historic low of 3.8%. Inflation easing off now at 3.5% thanks to stable energy prices. Housing market? It's cooling down but still active, with prices up by 4% year on year. The pound? It's gaining strength, now trading at 1.35 against the dollar. Business investment is climbing, especially in tech and green energy sectors. When the government's pushing forward with infrastructure projects, boosting jobs and growth. But watch out. Challenges like global trade tensions and Brexit adjustments are still in play. Keep an eye on those interest rates too. They're expected to rise soon. In a nutshell, the UK economy in 2024. It's on the up, but staying vigilant is key. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest economic insights.